What about Samsung? Yeah, I can tell you how to check if your Android is real or fake. Let's get started. I've got this Samsung Galaxy A10. So let's get started to check if this phone is real or fake. So first of all, what I want you to do is go on your keypad and type in *#0*# You're gonna see some like sort of boxes coming up saying red, green, blue, vibration and all of that. So if I click on a red, the screen must come up as red, which is, let's click, you can see whole red, right? Let's just check out another one. Here it says green because I clicked on green. Let's just click on blue, came up as blue. So that proves this is original. But if it's not original, so let's just try. If you press on red, it will not show you full screen. It will literally show you half screen, or maybe some of the pixel will go white, but this one shows fully red. So that proves this phone is original. Thank you, and do like and share this video. Bye bye.